Christmas is the season of giving. Tonight, we're giving back to the community. We've been doing a toy drive since the beginning of October, and we've partnered with the Help organization to give a family in need a brand new car.
Help Now AZ, what we do is we support children that experience homelessness in our community.
Well, the Adopt a Family program's purpose is to provide things that the families, these homeless families, need. Tonight, we're going to be able to bless a family with a car so they can do all the things that you and I do, and we don't even think about it.
We received the car in 2024.
The car has allowed me to now get to my regular job. I have a side job, and now I'm just starting to close the line.
Yes, it's really been life-changing.
So the family that was nominated for tonight is such a blessing to be able to have her here. I met them 4 years ago, and they were just looking for help. We were able to guide them, support them, and now she's here. She has permanent housing, she has a job, her kids are doing great, and now tonight, she gets a vehicle.
When you have an automobile to today's age, it's about mobility, not necessarily going from point A to point B, but memories and moving forward in life.
Arrowhead BMW is making a huge impact in our community. We just can't thank them enough.
Merry Christmas!